In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your GPU time usage in Midjourney. If you generate images with Midjourney, your plan includes a pool of GPU time, often called fast hours or fast minutes, that powers your jobs. Keeping an eye on it helps you avoid surprises, budget your prompts, and decide when to switch to relax mode. The good news, you can see your usage instantly right inside Discord. Start by opening Discord on your desktop or mobile device. Make sure you're signed in to the account you use with Midjourney and that Discord is up to date so /commands work smoothly. Next, navigate to the official Midjourney server. In any channel where the Midjourney bot is active, such as a newbies channel, your own thread, or a direct message with the bot, click into the message field and type the /command /info. If you see a small suggestion pop up for the info command, select it, then press enter to run it. That's all you need to do. A detailed status card will appear from the Midjourney bot. This is your snapshot. Look for your remaining fast time, which shows how much GPU accelerated generation you still have. You'll also see how much you've used in the current cycle, your plan type, and the renewal or reset date for your allowance. If you have access to relax mode, the card may also include details about relax queues. Together, these numbers tell you how aggressively you can create before your next reset. As a reminder, fast mode spends your GPU minutes for quicker results, while relax mode saves minutes by putting your jobs in a slower queue. A few quick tips for reading the data accurately. The allowance is tied to your billing cycle, so the numbers reset on your renewal date. Some models, upscales, or larger dimensions can consume more time than small, simple jobs. If you're planning a long session, check info first, then again later, to track how your choices affect usage. If you don't see a response after running info, confirm you're in the Midjourney server and that the command starts with a /. Try running it in a different Midjourney channel where the bot is active. That's it. By opening Discord, going to the Midjourney server and entering our info, you can keep your GPU time usage crystal clear and stay in control of your creative workflow.